Hey guys, it's me again. You might be getting tired of looking at me, but I got some more stuff to say. It's a new day. And right now I want to talk to you about the most favorite program that I think there is out there that anybody offers, and that's our application of visual welding inspection. It's the final touch that we put on the CWIs. Actually, and you heard me say this before if you've been around before, and it was about 1980 when I realized that some individuals were getting certified that really didn't have a clue of what all the job consisted of. So I thought we had to do something, and we did. So we used to tell folks that if you take this course, you could actually jump in behind enemy lines, take a dead inspector's job, and run with it. Actually, you could still do that. That's how detailed it is. Prerequisites for the course are you either have completed or fundamentals of welding inspection program, and I think it's called a pre-CWI program now, and or have completed the CWI training or hold a valid CWI card. Reasons for that is because we don't do fundamentals instruction in this class. This class you should come knowing fundamentals. Oh, there'll be some classroom work, yes. We'll look at contract documents. We'll look at material specifications. We'll look at codes, and we will look at procedures. This class is limited to 10 individuals. Maximum. But don't care how much money you got, we won't hold but 10 in it. The room was built to handle 10 comfortably. The shop projects are built to hold and keep 10 people busy the entire time. We don't have something that one person does and 9 people watch. 10 people are doing. And this 40-hour certificate that you get for completion will work towards your 80 hours that you'll need for your 9-year renewal for CWI. Our facility is a welding and testing shop with all the welding and testing equipment that we need. For the class we have named the welding fabricator Get Real. And for the class, our customer has been given 3 jobs. One of them is an ASME Code Section 8 vessel job. The second one is a B31.3 pressure piping job. And the final one is an AWS D11 structural steel code job. So no matter which facet of the industry you're in, we've got something that will apply for and to you. Now you in the class will act as a CWI that represents the client, and he or she will perform every operation that is required in the contract. And if you want to go back and see just how specific that is, every line item in the AWS document B5.1, and you can look online and review that, for the CWI and the senior and the CAWI, we will cover every line item in that week. We don't leave anything out. Unlike what happens to you as a real CWI in the real world, this time you're going to get to the job before it starts. Many CWIs get the call when the job is already 3 months down the road. And they want you to go in and sign for everything that they have previously done, assuring you, yeah, it was done correctly. Now, that's not the way it should be done, and that's what we're going to continue to tell you in this course. You will prepare 3 separate job folders. Each job folder will have several sections that documents have to be inserted in, and you will produce these documents, be given to them, and you'll fill them in, fill them out. A chronological checklist of every single step that could ever be needed on any job will be followed. The class will start with drawing and a bill of materials. Every step, including ordering, receipt inspection, storing of the materials will be evaluated. By the end of the class, one job will be taken all the way through to final hydro. The job package will be a complete job package that could be presented to a customer at the end of the project, and you'll get to keep the job package that you filled in and 10 or 12 procedures that we have used during that class. Now, this package alone, I used to sell for like $5,000, this number of procedures. So you got something of value that you're taking out, and we don't tell you that you can't use it. You can go put your name on it and use it on your job out in the industry. Now, some of the specifics that are part of this class are, and I'll just list you about 9 or 10 of them. One of them, you're going to witness welding of a procedure qualification test and document it. And then from that documentation, if it passes the test that you will also witness, we will write a welding procedure specification. And then you will also witness welder testing. You will audit existing welding procedures. You will also audit NDT procedures. You will witness material preparation. You'll witness the fit up. You'll determine that the tacks were properly placed and with the appropriate process. You'll witness a lot of weld out. You'll perform NDT and watch the performance of NDT, and you will actually be able to read some RT film while we're in that class on some welds that we're going to test during that program. And then you're going to witness repair welding that takes place. Now, this class is held only in Ellijay, Georgia. The next class is going to be better than the last one. In case you were in the last one, I put 50 plus hours on improvements to the class since the last one, and nowhere else that you can find anything that even comes close to this applications class. Now, if you are a CWI and can weld, we'll let you qualify a welding procedure specification for your company during the class. So come to Ellijay. We have a traffic jam twice a day in the wintertime when school's in, and that's the beginning of school and end of school, and it lasts only 15 minutes. And no traffic problems in the summer. It's a great location for vacation, and it is also the home of Gerald and Linda. So with that, guys, if you have any interest at all, call our 800 number, that's 489-2890, or go online and sign up for this program. I'll promise you, you will be glad you did. Thank you very much.